Microeconomic decision makers. A commercial bank is a microeconomic decision maker. A firm is a microeconomic decision maker. I am a microeconomic decision maker. You are also a microeconomic decision maker. Households, families, individuals, money, anything which is acceptable as a medium of exchange. In it provides a financial transaction. It provides a medium for financial transaction and exchange. Before the introduction of money, we had a barter trade system. Whatever, that is characteristics. सब बताऊंगा. सबसे पहले barter trade system, exchange of goods with goods, many disadvantages, double coincidence of wants. It means that if we want to exchange something, now you have to look for a person who want your product, and whatever you want, he must be having that product. So it's a double coincidence of wants. Now you have to search for that person. That is one problem, time consuming. How to decide about the worth of the products? Maybe the product which you own is very expensive. You think that it is very valuable. The other person has a very cheap thing, but you need it. You have gold, he has salt. No comparison. Worth cannot be compared in case of the barter trade system. Divisibility. How can you divide a horse? How can you divide? Right? So, problem of divisibility. They used to give, but if the question is analyze how money in the modern economy has facilitated trade, then you will discuss the disadvantages were there when there was a barter trade system. So barter trade system was very time consuming, and also sometimes you may not find someone to exchange the goods which you have. Functions of money: medium of exchange, store of value, unit of account, and means of deferred payments. First one, medium of exchange. It is backed up by the government. It is a legal document basically for transactions, for exchange. So it means that you have confidence in it. But if it is become, it is not becoming scarce and it is having a very large supply, it will lose its worth. So you will lose your confidence. You will not at least do your savings in money, in the local currency, but you will save it in US dollars for an exchange. Unit of account, how you are going to compare the worth of the commodities. That is unit of account. Store of value, savings. You can have savings in terms of money, and you have the confidence that it will carry its value forward. In strong economies, money performs this function perfectly, where there is not much inflation. But when there is inflation, this same store of value becomes a doubtful function of money. Deferred payments, simply delayed payments. In case of lending and borrowing, can be done with the help of money. So if you have money, you can borrow right now, don't pay anything, do it in installments, hire purchase for example, or leasing is possible. So that is all in the means of deferred payments. This is an important function. Why? Because all the economies, it is said that they are working on the basis of credit. American economy, they don't carry that much of a cash as compared to the Pakistanis, for example. Credit cards. Credit cards are acceptable everywhere.